Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Ugly Prince. A moral story: a man should be judged by his deeds, not looks. A brave prince was so ugly that no one wanted to marry him. He was very sad and decided to make a statue of the girl he would like to marry. He made a golden statue of a girl and said, "I will marry a princess who looks just like this statue." The king's men found a princess whose face resembled the statue. The king said, "She will see the prince's face only after marriage." She married the prince, but when she saw his ugly face she was aghast. Instead of remaining with the prince, she returned immediately to her kingdom. After a year, her kingdom was attacked by their neighboring king. The brave prince heard of this and rushed with his army to help them. After the prince drove away the enemies, all the people of the princess's kingdom had words of praise and blessings for the prince. The princess fell in love with him and they lived happily ever after.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.